Yo, what's up everyone? It's your boy Fritz Mix here, back at it again with another noob. And right now, as you can see, meron tayong isang pair dito. Sobrang gustong gusto ko and sobrang saya ko na I've got this one. Actually, matagal na to sa possession ko. I've got this pair since December. Pero ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng chance para ipakita sa inyo to and to unbox this pair. Sa mga di po nakakaalam, this is a collaboration between Adidas and The Simpsons. Now, this is what we call Adidas Adifoam Q. Yan, Simpsons. So when it comes to the design, nakuha nung actually yung design nito was taken from, kung alam niyo yung cartoon show na Simpsons, yung clouds na nandun, so dun siya nakuha. And then sa box naman, kung mapapansin niyo, ito yung TV. Ayan, 'di ba? Sobrang ayan, makikita nyo, Simpsons, tas Adidas. Sobrang cute lang niya. And then sa kabilang side, doon yung antenna. So sobrang nakakatuwa tong pair na to. This is one of the best collabs for 2023 for me. Para lang siyang tsinelas pero meron siyang likod pero sobrang comfortable nito. So I got this one at Foot Locker Philippines. So thank you Foot Locker Philippines for bringing out this pair here in the Philippines. Actually, sabi ko noon sa Hong Kong ako maghahanap nito pero I got lucky na meron palang nilabas dito sa Philippines ito. So I got one. Ang retail price nito is around 4,700. And then yung regular lang na Adifoam Q is 3,600. Price difference niya is nagtaas lang ng around 1,000 since this is a collab again with Adidas and Simpsons. Yun lang. Maraming salamat. So, if you're new here, don't forget to follow me on my social media channels and also click the subscribe button. Ayan, kung saan man kayo nanonood na platform. Again, for me, sobrang saya ko na I got this pair because this is one of my dream pairs for 2023. Sobrang bihira akong matuwa sa mga collabs when it comes to sneakers. So this is one for keeps. So that's it. Thank you so much.